Oil continues to drift higher. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The light sweet crude oil market initially dipped a bit during the early part of the Friday session, only to turn around and show signs of life. As a result, we are hanging around just above the 50-day EMA. Most traders here are still reacting to the idea of sanctions against a couple of Russian companies. And at this point in time, I think we probably have to look at this through the prism of a market that is doing everything it can to just simply try to break out to the upside. But I also look at this as a market that has a major issue at the moment, which of course is the fact that there is still quite a bit of supply. I think this ends up being nothing by the time it's all said and done, because we've seen sanctions against Russia previously, and they always turn out the same way. Supposedly China is buying less oil from Russia. We'll see. That just means they probably are buying it in secret. So with that being said, we're overbought. I'm looking for signs of exhaustion to short, but we'll have to wait and see if we get it. Brent looks very much the same. It's above the 50-day EMA. In fact, it looks maybe a little bit stronger, which would make a certain amount of sense considering that Brent is generally more of an international grade of oil anyway. The market being just above the 50-day EMA does bring the 200-day EMA into sight, but right now, I still think we're overdone. I don't see the proper price action to start shorting, but I certainly don't want to chase it 8% higher 2 days later. It's just bad trade management. So unless you happen to already be long of the market, you're just simply waiting for your opportunity to step on this rally that truthfully probably ends pretty quickly. After all, we recently had a war and in June, and within 2 weeks, we had already fallen right back to where we were. So this will either get resolved or it will get out that the Russians are selling oil to China, India, places like that, just like they always have, and we fall right back down. So ultimately, this is a market that I'm looking to short. I just don't have that signal yet. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.